Welcome to the FYI online course demo. FYI has created an exciting high school curriculum for today's web-savvy students that brings together quality education with the latest technology and sophisticated designs to capture every student's interest. With a rich, engaging interface design and interactive Web 2.0 collaborative tools, our research-based curriculum provides a unique learning experience. Take a look at the course user interface. Notice that it's clean, intuitive and interesting, and serves as a visual metaphor to the course content. Now let's take a look at the main features that you'll find within an FYI online course. Getting through the lessons is easy. Students can navigate to any page within a lesson using the navigation slider, or navigate to any other lesson within the course by clicking on the drop-down lesson menu option. Notice that each course has a unique set of toolbar features that provide useful support and exciting learning tools for the student. First, let's look at the browser check. With just one click, the browser check tool will evaluate the technical tools on the student's computer and let him know what he might need. Even better, if something is missing, the download is easily accessible. The 3-in-1 calculator provides a student with a fully functional standard, scientific, and graphing calculator. The chart tool allows students to insert data and generate a bar, line, or pie chart. The charts can be exported and saved as a graphic for homework or for future reference. We make it easy to access all the downloadable worksheets and practice files within each lesson. Just click on the download gallery for the list. What was that word again? Select the glossary tool to find out. The glossary makes it easy to have all the keywords and definitions at the click of a mouse. The Multimedia Gallery is a centralized location of all media assets within the lesson. This is a great resource to find specific multimedia files without having to try to find it within the lesson. Even an online course requires note-taking. The Notes tool allows students to take notes as they progress through each lesson. Students can save their notes to their computer, add to them, and print them out for review. The FYI curriculum is seeded with questions to help generate thought and to promote note-taking throughout the course. Sometimes a student can't be online or has limited internet access. No problem. With the printer-friendly tool, a page or even the entire lesson can be printed out to be used away from the computer. FYI Online realizes that students sometimes need a little nudge to become engaged in the lessons. So all lessons begin by not only preparing students for new concepts, but by piquing their interest with a thought-provoking question, or tapping into their prior knowledge. Students are also presented with the required background knowledge, the lesson expectations, and the lesson keywords. There are rollover definitions for each keyword the first time it is used in the text. Identified in bold, italicized text, the student simply mouses over the word to see the definition pop up. Many of the embedded images can be enlarged to see a more detailed view. Self-check activities throughout the courses provide students with ample opportunities to practice new knowledge in an interactive way, utilizing multiple choice, drag and drop, fill in the blank, and note-taking. Today's student expects a media-rich online experience. Besides instructional text and images, our courses are populated with an extensive number of high-quality streaming videos. With one click, each video loads and plays directly within the screen. Guiding questions encourage students to use their note-taking tool as they watch the videos. FYI realizes the importance of specialized practice and labs within the math and science courses, so we integrated gizmos to enrich the learning experience. These virtual lab editions allow the student to explore, manipulate, and discover concepts. We have also leveraged the best resources on the web to enrich the content with hundreds of high-quality websites that allow students to explore other sources of information. At the end of each lesson, students find a summary of the lesson's key facts, concepts, and skills. Students can choose to review or go directly to the lesson assignment. The assignment icon prompts them to access the lesson assignment on the school's learning management system.